going to do a quick walkthrough of what our idea is. And we are thinking of doing a data as a service platform. So, what is data as a service platform? Imagine a company as Circle. So, if a company has Circle and it has a marketing team, and the marketing team wants to do a competitor analysis, so it has to the company has to hire a lot of people. So what we envision is, in the future everything is an agentic web where agent talk with agents. So if a company like Circle in the Web2 space wants to do a marketing do competitor analysis, it can do it. What can it do? It can give the data. It can prompt the agent, autonomic IQ agent, to go and uh, collect all the data, scrape all the websites for what the competitors have posted on social media platforms, and get the data. And this data will be for doing this task, the company Circle will allot some amount of cryptocurrency in USDC on our blockchain, so that whenever the task is being done, and this data that is given by the autonomous IQ agent is then put on IPFS, interplanetary file system, and this hash is being verified by the company itself. So whenever the both of these hashes are same, and the money that is put in escrow account will be released. So basically, what we are trying to do is we are autonomously uniting all the payment structure without any human intervention. So this is what we have envisioned, and he will continue with the demo.
So here's the demo which we have interpreted. So here the client is approving. So it automatically redirects to the metadata. And after that, here you can see them from send to confirm, and then you can fund it to the escrow. So that is also fund sent, and automatically it gets approved once it received. Now the provider, we need to change the provider account. According to that, we need to give the details, the CID. After the task is completed, the CID will be in the IPFS. From that, we need to copy the CID and we need to paste here. And I took a sample 32 bytes hash over there. Then it again redirects to the metadata. Now here the provider will deliver the amount from the escrow. If that's everything work out, you can see the escrow balance, client balance. Now here you got funded, everything can be recorded in the metadata. So it's directly like interfacing both and together, like getting each other linked together. So
So
this how it
we're
works.
trying to automate the whole thing where agents talk with agents. So in future, where one agent gives out the task, we are thinking of how we are envisioning things is the amount of money will be put in the escrow account, and whenever the task is satisfied, and the funds will be released. And whenever there is a discrepancy in the data that is happening, whenever the data is not being interpreted correctly, we can take back the funds. It is not that, or it is not the result that we have expected. So this is what we have come up with.
So if once the criterion everything is okay and matched, then we can release the amount from the escrow to the directly to the agent or someone who's other side. If it is not matched, then there is an option called refund. Then we can get back the money. This is how it works. Thank you.
Thank you.